Yes, Mahal.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Reward
Wait. Let me share the screen so everybody will see it. Okay, so then you can read. Okay, wait for it. Okay, let me first explain you something about this story. बहुत बड़ा हो गया. अच्छा, can you see this on the screen? Here it's a desert. Okay? So you know one thing that in desert there is less water. And why it is desert? Because all the area is sandy area. There is sand there and less water there. And can anyone tell me which animals were used in deserts to travel from one place to other?
Camel.
Camels. Why we use camels?
Because they can walk on sand.
Hmm?
Because they can walk on sand.
They can walk on sand and
They don't
They have
face
long legs.
they have
Long legs.
long legs. ये तो बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट बात बता दी कि दे हैव लॉन्ग लेग्स. तो ऑस्ट्रिच की भी तो लॉन्ग लेग्स होती हैं, तो फिर हम ऑस्ट्रिच के ऊपर बैठ के क्यों नहीं जाते? Have you seen ostrich? So does ostrich lives in deserts and in sandy areas?
No.
No.
But
So it means
But the camels have flat feet.
Oh, the camels have flat feet. Okay. So what do you mean by this? That the ostriches have webbed feet?
What?
Web, like a web.
Yes.
Yes. Web feet किनके होते हैं?
Desert animals.
Desert animals के web feet होते हैं. कोई और बताएगा मुझे web feet कौन से animals के होते हैं?
Birds.
अच्छा, birds के web feet. अच्छा, कोई और बताएगा? Web feet कैसे होते हैं? Frog के होते हैं.
Frog and duck.
Frog and duck. Web ऐसा होता है बच्चे, ये ऐसे करके, पता नहीं ये, हाँ ऐसे करके web होता है. Why they have web feet?
Ma'am, that frog and duck.
Why they have web feet?
They help to swim.
Yes.
They have to swim.
Yes, they help them to swim. तो फिर अब इसका camel ने swim थोड़ी करना है उसने desert के अंदर, तो उसके web feet तो नहीं होंगे ना, ठीक है? ये होता है web feet. अब हम लोग की जो story ये देखने वाले हैं, इस story के अंदर there is a boy and he is going to the desert. He is traveling in a desert. So everywhere there is no water, because in desert, in the sandy areas, we don't have water. So here you can see there is no water there. There is no trees, no greenery, only sand and sand and sand. You can see sand everywhere. The people use camels because the camel have the power to walk for a long time, and they have the power to live for a long time without water and without food. Okay, and one more important thing, their eyelashes. The camel's eyelashes help them when there is a storm in the sand, in the deserts. So their eyelashes help them to save and to protect their eyes. Their long eyelashes help them to save themselves from the storm, the sandy storm. Okay, so that's why the camels are being used in sand. We even we say that camels are the aeroplanes of deserts. Can you imagine these things? So these are known as, the camels are aeroplanes in deserts. Okay, can we see here are which kind of insects are here? The scorpions and there's lizard.
Scorpions.
See?
Scorpion.
Yes.
Scorpions.
Yes, there are scorpions and lizards are there in the sand. Okay? So in the sand we can see the less animals and less greenery and less water there. Let's see how Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam teaches us that we should be kind towards, not only towards the human beings, but we should be kind towards the animals as well. In this story today, we will learn about how we should be kind towards the animals and how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward a person who is kind towards animals. So today, inshallah, we will learn that we must be kind with animals. Why we should be kind towards animals? Because animals cannot speak. They cannot tell us about their feelings. They cannot tell us about their pain. They cannot explain us anything. And even they cannot tell us about their hunger, that they are hungry. They cannot explain us that they are thirsty. So if you will help and you will be kind towards the animals, so definitely Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will reward you in every respect, in every way of your life. If you will make the life easy for the animals, so Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will make the life easy for you guys as well. Do you understand what I mean to say? जैसे मामा बाबा जो हैं उनको गुस्सा आए,
Yes, ma'am.
थक जाएं, आप बीमार हो जाएं, आपको दर्द हो, आपको पेन हो, आप बता सकते हैं. Animals, they cannot say anything, they cannot speak, they cannot tell us, they cannot express their emotions. So we must be kind towards animals. If we will be kind towards the animals, so Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will reward us. Let's read Mahad. Yes, Mahad.
Read.
Reward of being kind to animals. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam once related the story of a boy on a journey. The boy was walking under the blazing sun. Soon he
Okay.
became very thirsty, but he had no water. He kept walking. When he came across a well, feeling relieved, he climbed down into the well and drank the water.
Yes, good boy, Marshall. Can anyone read this paragraph again? Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam once related the story of a boy on a journey. Okay, this is a story of a boy, and it was a journey because the boy was going under a blazing sun. The sun was shining very bright, and it was very hot day. So definitely, if the day was hot, so definitely the boy will be thirsty. So what happened? Soon he became very thirsty. The boy became very thirsty because he was sweating as well. जब आपको गर्मी लगती है तो आपको क्या होता है? स्वेटिंग होती है ना? नहीं होती?
Yes, ma'am.
तो उसके साथ भी ऐसे ही था. He
Yes,
was
ma'am.
sweating and he was feeling thirsty, but he had no water. He had no water. Can you imagine this thing? कि आप डेजर्ट में हो, मामा नहीं, बाबा नहीं साथ, और आपको इतना गर्मी लग रही हो. अभी तो हम एसी में रहती हैं ना गर्मियों में. So he was feeling very thirsty, but he had no water. He kept walking, and walking. When he came across a well. Do you know what is well?
Yes,
Have-
ma'am.
Have you seen well in your life?
No.
No.
No, ma'am.
I have
Only
seen.
in museums. Only in museums.
I have seen well in my life when I was child, in my childhood. Some people have well in their houses and like this. ऐसा सा एक पुली सी बनी हुई होती है और पुली सी होती है.
Ma'am?
जी. And they fetch the
Ma'am,
water.
I
जी. Yes.
have seen a well in pictures
Oh, you have seen the well. You have seen it well in pictures. Very nice.
and also in real life.
In real life, where you have seen well?
In a museum. Picture.
A museum. I wish you can see well in your life.
Ma'am, I also saw a well in a museum.
Oh, that's good, mashallah. So, it was very hard for the people to fetch water from the well because they use force to fetch water, and they put some bucket in the water, and they just pull and they pull the rope outside the well, and the bucket becomes so heavy when it will become the full of water. So they use force to fetch the water out. Okay? So in the old time, the people uses wells to bring to fetch water and to take water from the well. Now today, what we use for getting water? From where we get water?
Ma'am, coolers.
कूलर से लेते हैं. ये तो बढ़िया काम की बात बताइए आपने. कोई और आप कहाँ से पानी लेते हैं बाकी सारे बच्चे?
Water pump and tank.
Water pumps and tanks. Yes. Water pump से water आता है ना बेटा. कूलर में का पानी कहाँ से आया? आप देख रहे हैं आप यहाँ पर. Can you see the bird is sitting here? The bird is also thirsty. The bird is afraid for going down in the well, and the bird is looking for some water. There is no water all over. Can you see? There is bushes. There is no plant. There is no tree there.
And it's too hard to make plants grow there.
Yeah, it is. यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं आप लोग यहाँ पे किस किस्म के प्लांट्स कैसे हैं यहाँ पे? Yes. ये तो बड़ी काम की बात बताई किसी ने. ये कौन सा प्लांट है?
Cactus.
Yeah, this is cactus. तो cactus जो आप मुझे बताएंगे कि cactus यहाँ पर क्यों होता है? Because cactus needs less water. अच्छा, मैं आपको एक और बड़ी बात बताती चलती हूँ आपको, बहुत important.
Like camels.
Yes. अब एक और बात बताती हूँ मैं आपको. पता क्या है? ये जो cactus है ना, जो लोग जहन्नुम में जाएंगे ना, they will be given this type of plant to eat. It will not be cactus, but it will be look like the cactus. It will like bushes, and it will have thorns, and it will be very hard for them to eat that. And वो इतना उनके लिए मुश्किल होगा, even they cannot, और उसकी स्मेल भी बहुत ज्यादा बुरी होगी. हम जानते हैं.
Ma'am, because it's so spiky.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is so spiky. And you know one more thing, that हम देखते हैं यहाँ पे डेजर्ट के अंदर हॉट होता है, जहन्नुम में भी हॉट होगा. हम देखते हैं कि डेजर्ट के अंदर वाटर नहीं होता, जहन्नुम में भी वाटर नहीं होगा. तो कैक्टस जो होता है, जी बच्चे,
What does camels eat?
they eat cactus and these type of plants and bushes which are found in the deserts. Okay. So can you imagine this thing? So that's why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ने ये जो दुनिया में हमें चीजें दिखाई है ना, कि बहुत सारी चीजें हमें अल्लाह ताला ने हमें दिखाने के लिए कि जहन्नुम ऐसी होगी, वो ऐसी ही hot होगी. There will be no water. There will be nothing to eat. Only you will have the bushes, and you will have the spiky things to eat. Even you cannot smell them.
Ma'am,
See?
ma'am, how will the people eat these things?
When you become hungry, when you feel hungry, if you have nothing to eat, so definitely you will eat everything. They will try to eat that, but they won't eat, because it will be very, very spiky, and it will be very, its taste will not be good. And they will not like that, but they will be forced to eat that. जैसे आपको कोई डंडे से मारे और कहे कि नहीं ये खाओ ही खाओ, जब मामा आपको कोई चीज पसंद नहीं आती, मामा गुस्से से खिलाती हैं, आपको भूख लगी हुई है, तो आप फिर खाते हो ना, वो खाते हैं ना. फिर वहां पर भी ऐसे ही होगा. वहां पर भी ऐसा ही होगा. वहां पे एंजल्स होंगे जो बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रिक्ट होंगे, बहुत गुस्से में होंगे, फिर हमें वो खाना पड़ेगा. अब हम क्या कर सकते हैं? वहां पे मामा बाबा तो नहीं होंगे. इसलिए हमें गुड वर्क करना है, हमें अच्छे काम करने हैं ताकि अल्लाह ताला हमें जहन्नुम से बचा ले। अब देख सकते हैं देयर इज नो ग्रोइंग। अब यहाँ पर देखते हैं क्या हुआ। द बॉय was here and he was going inside the well to fetch some water to drink. अब वो वाटर तो इतना ही ला सकता था कि वो थोड़ा सा खुद पी सके, बट यहाँ पर देखते हैं कि क्या हुआ। Can anyone tell me what is this?
A dog.
Dog. Yes, this is a dog.
A dog.
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 And this is a thirsty dog.
Yeah, this is a thirsty dog. अब हम thirsty dog की स्टोरी देखते हैं, ठीक है। वैसे आप लोगों ने thirsty dog की स्टोरी लिखी तो होगी अपने स्कूल में, हम ये भी स्टोरी लिख सकते हैं। चले जी, इसको कौन आगे रीड करेगा?
Thirsty dog ही लिखिए।
सॉरी, थर्स्टी क्रो की। अब मैं बूढ़ी हो गई हूँ ना, भूल जाती हूँ। चले चले जी, कौन पढ़ेगा इसको आगे? मैं तो बकरी होती है भाई, मैं नहीं, नाम बता।
मैम अब्दुल्ला ज़ीशान।
चले अब्दुल्ला जी खान।
यार।
चले।
Coming out of the well,
बच्चों
he
बाकी
noticed a
एक
dog.
अब्दुल्ला एक मिनट चलेगा, वेट वेट बच्चे, बाकी बच्चे प्लीज अपना माइक म्यूट कीजिएगा बेटा। सो आप इंजॉय करेंगे, अगर आप म्यूट नहीं करेंगे ना तो आप इंजॉय नहीं करेंगे, ठीक है। ये सब जो भी बच्चे कमिंग आउट ऑफ द
Coming
वेल।
out of the well, he noticed a dog with its tongue hanging out due to heat
Due
and
to
thirst.
the heat, due to the heat. This is
The boy
article.
felt
ये जो लगा है ना, ये आर्टिकल लगा है, ठीक है। Due to the heat and thirst. Yes, read it.
the boy felt sorry for the dog as he knew exactly what it felt like.
Why he know that what he felt? How he know about the feelings of the dog?
Because the boy was also thirsty.
Yeah, because the boy was also thirsty, so he can imagine that how the dog felt. अपनी कुछ चीज
Because
notice
ma'am,
की।
because his tongue was out.
Yeah, its tongue was out. अच्छा, कोई मुझे ये बताएगा कि जो felt है ये कौन बताएगा मुझे? ये अगर ये प्रेजेंट में होता तो ये क्या होता? फेल्ट। ये पास्ट में है ना। द बॉय फेल्ट सो।
Feel. Feel.
यहाँ पे फेल्ट क्यों है?
Past है ना, ये
Past
स्टोरी
है।
हमेशा पास्ट में होती है।
हाँ, स्टोरी हमेशा पास्ट में होती है। क्यों स्टोरी पास्ट में होती है?
वो काम हो चुका है यानी
दैट
अब ये
वाज,
हो नहीं रहा।
यस, वो हो चुका है। इसलिए हम हमेशा, आपने देखा है, यहाँ पे मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ सारी चीजें। आप लोग देखिए, नोटिस्ड ये पास्ट में है, फेल्ट पास्ट में है, ठीक है, और न्यू पास्ट में है, ठीक है। ये सारी आप जहां जहां पे भी देखेंगी ना, आपके साथ ये देखें फेल्ट, ये सारी वो आपको पास्ट में मिलेंगी, ठीक है, क्योंकि ये सारी स्टोरी हमेशा पास्ट में होती है। आप अपने स्कूल में जब भी स्टोरी लिखेंगे, अब आपसे कभी भी मिस्टेक नहीं होगी कि आपने स्टोरी को अंदर कभी भी आप प्रेजेंट का टेंस नहीं लगाएंगे।
ओके मैम।
चले आगे चलते हैं। आगे कौन पढ़ेगा?
मैं मोहम्मद अब्दुल्ला हुसैन।
मी
मी कौन होता है? ये कोई
मैम अब्दुल्ला हुसैन।
मैम रेहान
जी?
मैम अब्दुल्ला हुसैन। मैम अब्दुल्ला हुसैन।
अच्छा,
मैम अब्दुल्ला हुसैन।
चलें। एक अब्दुल्ला हुसैन ने कहा, दूसरा किस बच्चे ने नाम लिया अपना? जुनैसा। चले, ये वाला पेज जो है अब्दुल्ला हुसैन पढ़ेंगे, नेक्स्ट वाला जो है वो जुनैसा पढ़ेंगे, ठीक है। चलें जी, अब्दुल्ला हुसैन।
He went back down into the well and filled his shoe with water. As he needed his hands to climb out, he held the shoe in his mouth.
ओके, अब्दुल्ला आप मुझे बताएंगे इसमें वर्ब कौन कौन सी है? He went.
Down.
Went. Down कहाँ से वर्ब आ गई? Went वर्ब आ गई। He went back down into the well. Who went back to the well? Back into the well? The boy.
Ma'am, the boy.
Yes, and filled. And you see, this is also a verb, and it is also in past.
Because it is a word.
Yes. And he filled his shoe with water as he needed. As much he needed, he filled the water. And as he needed his hands to climb out, because he was unable to climb out without the hands. He held the shoe in his mouth. He held the shoe in his mouth. Can you see all these verbs are in past? So we always write the stories in the past. Okay? Yes, जुनैसा थी ना बच्ची, आप नेक्स्ट पेज पढ़िए बेटा जल्दी से, जल्दी आइएगा, जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी, क्विकली क्विकली क्विकली. यहाँ पे देखिए, ये देखिए, boy is coming out, he's out with water and he was giving water to the thirsty dog. Okay, so coming back to the next page. Yes, Sunessa, जल्दी से आइएगा.
As soon as he got out, he put the shoe down and he do.
Yes. As soon as he got out, he put the shoe down and the dog
And happily lapped the water up. His act was loved by Allah. He forgave his sins.
Yes, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forgave his sins. Why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forgave his sins? Because due to his good deed. Okay, yes, carry on. Yes, बच्चे हमारे पास टाइम बहुत कम है.
After listening to the story, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam companions asked, "Dear Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, will we be rewarded for being
Kind to animals.
to animals?" The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam answered, "Being kind to all animals and human beings
Entitles
you to receive the reward from Allah."
yes. Yes, इससे next वाला जो wisdom of the story है कौन read करेगा? It means कि आप जब उनके साथ
फातिमा
चलें मुस्फिरा फातिमा. It means कि अगर चलें जी सादिया रिजवान आप पढ़ें. Wisdom of the story.
Us to love and be kind to animals and humans. When this Allah will reward us.
Yes, very good. Yes, मुस्फिरा फातिमा आप भी इसको read कर लीजिए. Wisdom of the story. Yes, मुस्फिरा.
Allah wants us to love and be kind to animals and humans. When we do this, Allah will reward us.
वेरी गुड, माशाल्लाह, बारिकल्लाह फीक. आप लोगों से मैं ये जो इसका विजडम ऑफ द स्टोरी है ना, मैं आप लोगों से कल ये सुनूंगी. ठीक है बच्चों, आज हमने स्टोरी में से क्या रीड किया, क्या समझा हम लोगों ने समझा कि वी मस्ट बी